Some people have asked why we would remove the analog headphone jack from the iPhone. Courage. The courage to move on, do something new that betters all of us. And our team has tremendous courage.
What the fuck is going on?
This is what the fuck is going on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! No! That is not happening right now! No!
What's up, guys? I have something interesting to show you today, and it's pretty crazy. So in 2016, Apple removed the headphone jack on its iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, calling it the future, a move that was taken by mixed reactions, with Apple fans supporting the move, while others saw it as a greedy move by Apple to make more money. Now in 2019, Meizu, a Chinese smartphone maker, just took it to a whole new level by removing all ports and buttons from the Meizu Zero. Yes, you heard that right. No power buttons or volume rockers. No charging port or speaker grill either. And of course no headphone jack. I think that's insane and definitely ahead of its time. I don't know what they wish to accomplish with this device, but I don't think the world is ready for such a phone. I wouldn't say the phone is entirely buttonless though, as it uses capacitive power keys and volume rockers. Now these are not physical and are entirely flushed into the body of the phone. It's similar to what Apple used in its home button in the iPhone 7 and 8. The phone is going to use new technologies like eSIM to replace your traditional SIM, as there is no SIM tray, and fast wireless charging to replace the standard wired charging. I sincerely don't see why this is happening. There is nothing wrong with the traditional SIM tray and charging port. Meizu. The phone is set to come with the Snapdragon 845 and the sound on display technology, similar to Samsung's bone conduction technology, so there's no need for a speaker grill there. It's also going to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. I definitely can't put my finger on why Meizu is making such an absurd phone. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below. So here's the most ridiculous part of this phone, the price. The phone is priced at, wait for it, $1,300 US. That's insane! So Meizu wants you to pay more for less. They're gradually becoming Apple. $1,299 is just too much for a phone you absolutely don't need. The phone still has freaking huge bezels. So they tried to make a futuristic looking phone, and it still has huge bezels. What the hell were you thinking, Meizu? In an article by Bloomberg in 2018, it stated that Apple planned to remove most of the external ports and buttons from its future iPhones. Though we don't know which set of iPhones this will be on, but I believe it's definitely going to happen sometime soon. I guess Meizu wanted to beat Apple to the punch, and they succeeded. Good job, Meizu, you won the trophy. They have the world's first buttonless, portless phone that is absolutely unnecessary at this point. I honestly don't see why anyone would want to use such a device. But you know, there are people out there, weird people, because their prototype version that was on sale on Indiegogo for $3,000 US is already sold out. That's insane! So yeah, I guess there are some people who would actually want to own this device for some weird reason. Good luck. That being said, please let me know what you think of this device in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I release another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.